This is the Case IH 240 horsepower Puma tractor, and it's running a Fiat powertrain engine. A few of the features that perhaps just add to the comfort for the operator are a tinted rear window just to keep the sun off the back, a new comfort seat, and just for those who want a little bit of everything or a bit extra is a leather steering wheel as well. It has an electronic adjusting armrest. That just means you can fully customise everything to your perfect driving position. It's big and it looks strong, and yes, it pulled the Sumo exceptionally well. Handled all the hydraulic requirements really well. Once we put it onto the wagon, that's where it really came into its own. We got the most speed out of it, and it's got exhaust braking, and that really helped it pull up the 25 tonne at the end of the run. So in saying that, as a towing tractor on this sort of pulling silage wagons and that sort of thing, it performed exceptionally well. Probably the standout feature is the exhaust braking system. Just allowed it to perform so well under load and pulling it up. Working in hilly country, you'll be able to just maintain a little bit more control with its power stop feature. So as soon as you remove power, it will hold steady on hills and it won't roll away. Another great feature on this tractor is the adjustable vanes on the cooling fan. So these can be used in two ways. One, you can instigate the fans to completely reverse from a sucking motion to a blowing, to blow all the air back out of the radiator system. But also when the engine's cold, the vanes on the fan actually run very level, so they're not drawing any power or horsepower away from the engine. As the engine heats up, they increase the angle just to draw more air and create more cooling. So it's only ever drawing the amount of power that it requires rather than wasting horsepower when it's not necessary. Summing it up, it's big in stature, it's got really good weight and performs well under load. So it's a really good all-round tractor. In cultivation, it'll pull really well, it has great traction. So your medium to large property, it'll be a great performer.